The internet is full of makeup hacks, so I pulled 3 of November's most popular hacks to try for myself. I saw this first hack from the internet's girlfriend, Alex Earl. It's not really anything new, it's just really trendy right now. It's basically where you use a powder puff to set your concealer instead of your normal powder brush. I've never done this before and it looks great when I see people do it. So I'm going to do the powder puff on this eye and my regular powder brush on this eye. Okay, so now that we are all up close and personal, we are going to apply the concealer. Take my powder brush. That's the difference. And now we're gonna take the powder puff. I think I took a little bit too much powder because it works more as like a beauty blender, like when you're baking. But holy crap, I see a massive difference. Like this eye doesn't have a bag and this one still does. This looks like drastically different. Like I couldn't go out like this because one eye just looks so different than the other. Wow. Yeah, this is something. I am going to continue using this and update my other eye. Ooh, just spilled powder all over myself. Wow. Okay, the internet's girlfriend was not wrong. This second hack is apparently an easy way to apply eyeliner. I really never put eyeliner on just because I cannot apply it and it is not worth the stress and trauma for me, honestly. But this way is you just basically draw eyeliner on your finger and then place it on your eye and go like this. And it's supposed to be a super easy way to apply it. So I guess we're gonna put that to the test from someone who literally cannot apply eyeliner for the life of her. So I have this brown liner. It's a gel pencil liner, and according to the videos, you are just supposed to apply it just like, I don't know, I guess like all over your hand, like this. I don't think it really matters. And then you're just supposed to put it on your eyeball. I need a mirror to do this. I feel like maybe I applied it in the wrong spot on my finger, like it needed to be up here more, but it's not terrible. I think maybe I just like made it a little bit too long. So let's try on the other eye. I'm gonna try to do it like more here. Okay, so now we're really prepared no matter where I put this. Oh, okay. So this eye was definitely better than this eye. I've seen it work for some people, so I'm very confused, but I don't think it's as easy as everybody makes it look. Like I think this is actually pretty good now looking at this one, but personally I think I would just keep using a brush or just the pencil because this really didn't make it any easier, and I feel like I'm gonna have to do cleanup now. This third hack is meant to ensure that your makeup doesn't look cakey. You apply all of your cream products at once instead of layering different products on top of each other. I don't often wear foundation, so I'm going to use this technique with my concealer, cream contour, and cream blush. So basically you just apply all of your products at once and then you spray them with any spray, and it's supposed to make your makeup look less cakey. So first I have this Charlotte Tilbury concealer and I apply that. I'm using the viewfinder as a mirror, so that should be interesting. It's pretty much everywhere I apply my concealer. Then we're gonna apply the blush. Last but not least, we apply the cream contour. Okay, I actually am gonna get a mirror because I cannot see anything. Because it's been sitting on my face for a minute, you're supposed to re-cream it. And then we just blend it in. This is what it looks like all blended out with the best of my ability. I honestly don't think it looks any different than if I did it my normal way, which is applying everything one by one. I guess this could make a difference if you do wear foundation because you would be just putting the foundation in specific areas, but I feel like a lot of people don't want foundation only in specific areas. I don't think it looks bad. I think it looks nice, but I don't think it really did anything different than my typical way.